Hello traders, this is IQ School team. Today I'm gonna show you how you can select the time, currency, and going for trade. Okay, first of all, you can choose the time from this box, which is here. Here you can choose the time. For example, you can choose 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and 5 minutes. Uh, we will send the time in signal channel, and then you must set the time. So also the second uh, thing is that you can set the uh, amount of money from this box, which is here. It means that you can set, for example, $6, $7, $8, $10, or $2 or $1. It's different, and this when we are saying that going for higher for call option, it means that you should go with buyers and uh, tap in this thing, which is its name is higher, and which is when we send a put option or a lower option, we will send for this, and for finding the currency you can go here and uh, you can find the currency easily here in this box. So